Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing this like red and gold eye makeup with a nude lip. It's a look I did on my client. You could see it on my Instagram page, which I'll leave in the description, so be sure to check it out. So if you want to know how I created it, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. I'll start with this Catrice Prime and Fine Beautifying Primer. And now I'll prep my lips a bit with this Makeup Factory's Lip Up Super Repair Balm. It's really great balm. Now I'll apply my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It's in the shade Golden Beige. For concealer, I'll mix two shades of this Fit Me from Maybelline. One is 20 and the other one is 05. And just a bit of this shade 05 to lighten it a bit. And of course I'm blending it with my Real Techniques complexion sponge. I'll set my face with this Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. And I'll fix my brows a bit with Benefit Precisely My Brow. To get some depth, I'll mix shade Oud and the shade Saffron. And I'll apply both of these shades on my lower lash line. Now I'll apply this Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold with my finger on the lid. And over that I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality Palette and this gold shade, also with my finger, and I'll tap it over that shade. I'll create a bit of a wing with Essence, this liquid ink eyeliner. Now I'll do a bit of contour with this shade from BH Bronze Paradise palette. Highlighter today I'm using Mary Lou from the Balm. And a bit in my inner whoa, look at that. So I don't know if you know, but this is a look I did on my client and I posted it on Instagram, and you said that you want a recreation, but she is a bit lighter than me, so this was enough of a bronze contouring for her, but I'll do a bit of this NYX matte bronzer in the shade Dark Tan. And for a blush, I'm using this from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Pearlescent Pink. I'm using NYX lip liner in the shade Sandstorm. And for her I use this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. It's called Liquid Catsuit in the shade Nudie Patchouli. Yes, Nudie Patchouli. But this will be a bit too light for me, so I'll mix it with Dose of Colors Sand. Now I'll put just a bit of Nudie Patchouli in the middle. And I'll use this Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. Oh, I forgot to curl my lashes. I'll do it now. So guys, this is the completed look. I liked it when I did it on my client, and I like it on myself. So if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and comment. And of course, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.